Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Python on Visual Studio Code. So first of all, what you have to do is download Visual Studio. Click on the top search result, and then you'll be able to see a download button for Windows. You have to click on it, and then a file will be downloaded on your computer. What you have to do is open that file, click on OK, accept, and click on Next. Select the folder where you want to download the Visual Studio Code. Click on Next, and Next once again, and click on Install. Once it's installed, you will have to click on Finish. Now it will automatically launch the Visual Studio Code on your computer. Now, to set up Python with Visual Studio Code, what you have to do is open a new tab and click on or type download Python. Click on download Python. You will land on this page. Click on the download the latest version for Windows. Click on download, and it will start to download Python on your computer. Once the Python has been downloaded, what you have to do is click on the file which you have just downloaded, the executable file, then click on install now, or you can also customize installation if you want to choose different location for the Python to download. Once you have installed, you will see Python has been installed on your computer. Because I have already installed that, so what I will do, I will open my Visual Studio Code and then click on File, New Text File. Now on this page, what I will do, I will click on the Select a Language button just right there. Now what I will do, I will try to search Python if it's installed on my computer. If it's installed successfully, you will see Python on this section, and now you will be able to use the Python. Do you want to install the recommended Python extension from Microsoft Python language? You can also show recommendation and download or install the recommended version from the Microsoft as well, or you can simply try and write the code. And then what you have to do is click on Run and Debug. Click on Run and Debug, and then you have to choose a file where you want to download or where you want to save the Python project. Click on Save, and then you don't have extension for debugging Python, so click on Find Python extension. As you can see, there are some Python extensions, some debuggers. You can install any of them. Once downloaded, you will be easily able to run the Python language on Microsoft Visual Code. So that's basically how you can set up Python on Microsoft Visual Code. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.